Shifting focus, polling for the fifth phase of the District Development Council elections in Jammu and Kashmir is underway. A total of 37 constituencies, that's 20 in Jammu and 17 in Kashmir divisions, will witness polling till 2 p.m. today. 9.46% polling has been recorded in Jammu and Kashmir as of 9 a.m. Voting is also being held for 58 vacant Sarpanch and 218 vacant Panchayat seats. In the fifth phase, over 82,000 electors are eligible to cast their vote. 2,104 polling stations have been set up across the Union Territory for this phase. In view, of course, of the COVID-19 pandemic, adequate arrangements have been put in place to ensure the safety of all stakeholders, including the voters. The fourth phase of DDC elections held in 34 constituencies of Jammu and Kashmir on Monday saw over 50% turnout.
Today it is the fifth phase of District Development Council elections here in Jammu and Kashmir. In this phase, 37 seats of the 280 District Development Council will be voted in different parts of Jammu and Kashmir. Out of 37, 17 seats are being voted in the Kashmir and 20 in the Jammu. Like the other phases of the District Development elections, in this phase even too we see that the large queues outside the polling booths in different parts of the Kashmir, particularly in the far-flung areas where the local candidates have made this election very interesting. In fact, this is one of the Budgam district's polling booth here in the rural area where people are coming in large numbers, the old, the young, ladies. Everyone is coming out to cast the vote. In the 5 phases, almost more than half of the election process has been completed in the Jammu and Kashmir. Now only 3 phases had left when on 22nd the results for these elections will be declared. With Tariq Loon, Ashraf Wani for India Today in Kanidajan village of Budgam district in central Kashmir.
Voting is on for the fifth phase of District Development Council elections in Jammu and Kashmir. Right now I'm at a polling station in Jammu's Mira Sahab, and here you can see that a large number of people have lined up to exercise their democratic right to cast their votes. In this phase, in the fifth phase of District Development Council elections, 37 constituencies are going to the polls, 20 in Jammu division and 17 in the Kashmir Valley. And here you can see that in the previous phases, in this phase also there is great enthusiasm among the voters, and that is why you can see that a large number of people have come to cast their votes. Remember, prior to abrogation of Article 370 and 35A, Jammu and Kashmir did not have a 3-tier Panchayati Raj system. It's only after the revocation of Article 370 and 35A that 3-tier Panchayati Raj system has been implemented in Jammu and Kashmir, and now as part of strengthening of grassroots democracy, District Development Council elections are taking place, and today is the fifth phase of elections. And here you can see in Jammu's Mira Sahab that a large number of people have come to exercise their democratic right. So clearly democracy is getting strengthened in Jammu and Kashmir.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.